Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Check out what we've got today. Do you even know what it is? It's a 1954 Kaiser Darrin, known for its sliding doors. That's a cool feature. I don't think any other car ever did that. Second car to be made in America in fiberglass. Corvette beat it 1 year earlier in 1953. Only made 1 year, 435 of these were built total ever, that's it. They estimate about 300 exist today on the whole planet. This one's been body off the frame restored. I do believe this is one of the nicest ones in existence. It's got the wire wheel hubcaps. Tell you all about it. We're going to go to volocars.com. That's where you can really keep up with our inventory. We have pictures and descriptions and price tags on every one of our cars for sale, along with a monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified when the videos go live. But for right now, the door is slid open, the top's down. Let's go for a spin. This is from the Claude O estate. We bought 25 cars from his collection, and he had a full-time mechanic that kept his cars in working condition. He wanted to be able to drive any car at any time. So the cars we got from him overall have been really good. This one here, like I said, the body's been off the frame. The chassis is detailed like brand new. So not just rebuilt, but detailed. Like the front end, all painted black, and every nut and bolt and cotter pin is shiny and silver. So all of the steering and suspension completely rebuilt. The brake system was all rebuilt. It has the correct exhaust system, front to back, in real nice shape. You look up at the motor, it's just spotless. It has a chrome oil pan. It has a 3-speed manual transmission with the electric overdrive. The drive shaft's rebuilt. The rear end is detailed, beautiful. The fiberglass floors under the car are in excellent condition. Been cleaned and painted black. The fuel tank looks new. So under this car, I was thrilled to see how nice it was. Detailed body off frame restored. Now let's check out the body. Again, it is fiberglass. That was really innovative at the time. It was used on the Corvette, and they were just starting to use it on boats, and they had wooden boats. And then Kaiser Darrin used it on this car here. They built this car to compete with European sports cars, was the thought of it. At the time, the company was struggling. They ended up going out of business. But anyway, the body. The fiberglass is pristine. I mean, it is straight. I don't see cracks. I don't see damage. I don't see funny areas. This hood, the gap all the way around is excellent. Excellent, excellent fiberglass. And the paint, while I'm at it, I don't see a chip, a crack. Excellent body, and paint is amazing. The doors are excellent. There is a stress crack right here, one line. There must be a stress point. The rest of this is mint. I mean, it's straight. It's not wavy fiberglass. Everyone will tell you the first few years of Corvettes, they were horrible. The fit and finish was just horrible. This is outstanding. This may be restored better than it was new. Actually, I would be surprised if it was this nice when it was new. The gaps are spot on, no damage, no repairs, no chips, no cracks, no nothing. This is beautiful. Glass finish white paint. Pristine. Here's a little mark. I think that'll rub off. Maybe not. Might be a little mark in the paint right there. But this is all excellent. Okay, so the body and paint, 9+++. When you do slide the doors open, sometimes when you close them, there'll be black marks. They're not scratches. It just must be rubbing on something inside there, and it wipes off. Up front here, it's Critics said it looks like it's puckered up for a kiss. But this bumper guards, grille, this is all like show chrome. The bezels and marker lights. They had to raise the headlights to make room for turn signals when they were designing the car. This is one of the changes they had to make before it could go into production. This one has the optional wire wheel basket hubcaps. They're in mint shape. It says Kaiser in the middle here, and that's pristine, that logo. It has the original style white walls. There's no miles on them. It still has the nubs on the tread of the tires. So this car probably has hardly any miles since it was restored. Curved windshields, crystal clear. They were going to do a split windshield. They went this route. Again, innovative at the time. It's tinted across the top. Door handles are re-chromed. All this is re-chromed. All this is beautiful. The emblem looks like it's 3D. The bumper, cool tail lights. So all this is really sharp. So yeah, it's that time. Let's open it up. We'll show you what it looks like inside. You guys know I've been around cars my entire life. I think I was a kid when we had one of these in my 30s. I just had to familiarize myself with how to open this stuff. But here's the trunk. That's pretty straightforward. You open it with the key. Then you have this chromed bar here that holds it open. And look how nicely it's all carpeted. All these are cut pieces with bound edges, and it's all attached beautifully. It's not falling down. I see we have some vent windows that look like they need to be installed. And then there's the matching spare tire, brand new on a painted rim. This is part of the jack assembly. There's the jack right there. And that lever there opens this other lid that I already popped it open. That lid here opens up, so the convertible top is a disappearing top. You see it's a red convertible top in excellent shape. And look at the pictures on our website. It has chrome landau bars, and it has two positions. You can unfold it all the way or 3/4, but check out the pictures. But yeah, the tire fits right in there. It's got the jack. Everything's restored. It looks like new in here. The gasket. Now watch this door over here. I'll show how it slides. It's really cool. I love the cockpit. I love the seats. But anyway, the dash, this is all real nice. It's painted. The instruments are nice. You have a tachometer they put right in front of you. But all the knobs, bezels, all nice. Padded dash. All cut carpet, just like in back with bound edges. Got the shifter, manual shift. Look at these bucket seats, how they're contoured and formed. You fit right in there. Back then, they didn't give that much thought. This is cool. I love this whole design. It's upholstered real nice, just like it was originally. Steering wheel's real nice. Does have turn signals. Got some leaves on the carpet, probably from me getting in it. That's their 6-cylinder engine. Yeah, I had a problem with this, so I have to reattach this too. 6-cylinder engine. I think it's a 160, and it made 90 horsepower, so not a speed demon, but look how nicely this is restored. Look at the correct wires, chrome valve cover, air cleaner, the manifold. Look at the chrome steering column, the fuel lines, all of it's really nice. Let me come around to this side too. Yeah, it's their Hurricane 6. But look at the cloth wrapped wires, the coil, the starter, the batteries bolted down properly. And you have the original tags on the firewall. Oil filter with the stickers. It's got the washer fluid bag hiding over there. The ductwork's all in place. The distributor cap, everything looks like new. I bet this car doesn't have 100 miles on the restoration. Check out up front here, more of the wiring and everything. It's like cardboard. See how it's short out. So there you have it. We just kind of folded up the top because I wanted to show you the 3/4 position I was talking about, the landau top with the landau bars. It's red, it just pops, it looks great. So it's kind of loose. We don't have it bolted down right now, but that can be made to look better. Or this material unfolds and you snap it to the windshield and you'll have a full top. But what a cool car. Of course, a car like this has a story. You can read about it. They were supposed to build a lot more. I'm sure they lost a ton of money building them and then only making 435 of them total. So yeah, really neat car. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help you with any questions. I'm still, like I said, a little unfamiliar with these cars, so I'm kind of working through it here. You just got to push in the hood latch. I mean, I'm familiar with what they are. I've always known about them. It's a real delight to have one here in person and knowing this is one of the best ones in the world, one of the best ones on the planet, sitting right here. It can be sitting in your garage if you go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help with the delivery. They can help with financing too if you need it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on that bell icon because obviously you never know what's going to roll in here next. Thanks for watching.